Video here today on Ttoo Biosystems TTOO. It closing the day here at 52 cents, down a little bit, 5% here after hours. But total on the day had a pretty terrific day. 23% during the normal trading day. Like I said, 5% in the red after hours. So about 18% in gains overall. And similarly to what I talked about in the first video about Ttoo Biosystems, was we saw it hit that high, 61 cents. There was a ton of profit selling, but a very strong sign here that TTO was able to recover today, as Friday being the last day of the market for the week, and remain relatively at a decent price. Like 56 cents for TTO, to me, it is very solid, and one that I think I can get excited about as we do head into next week. On the day too as well, Ttoo Biosystems finished as the third most heavily traded stock on the market, 177 million in trading volume here for Ttoo Biosystems. So something that you just love to see. I mean, if you're a holder of Ttoo, or you're, I don't want to say it's too late here to get a position, but if you're holding Ttoo Biosystems, I think you couldn't have kind of asked for a better day. Obviously, if it went to $1, it'd be the best day ever, but you can't ask for a better day, in my opinion, given how we saw, some other stocks on the market. The market as a whole overall in the day wasn't just the greatest day on the market. You can see a lot of heavily trading volume stocks were in the red. I would say more in the red than the green. And for 2 days worth of in the red for Ttoo Biosystems and a ton of profit selling that we did see, again, great recovery day, especially for a Friday. But again, just going to go over a series of tweets here in regards to Ttoo Biosystems. Not financial advice. Let me know in the comments below at the end of the video how you guys feel about Ttoo. I want to keep this video as concise and brief as possible here for everyone. But let's get into it. So, approval from FDA around the corner. Global multi-billion-dollar market. Now, it's a screenshot here from a MarketWatch article, and I wanted to just share this because I do think that sometime next week TTO should and probably will get the FDA approval for this, and obviously it will be a game changer, and it will be massive for Ttoo Biosystems to get this FDA approval here. But you can see here from this screenshot, Ttoo Biosystems offering highly differentiated products in the fight against sepsis. Here's the quote from the CEO, John Spurzl. "We have the first and only FDA cleared products able to detect sepsis causing pathogens directly from whole blood in just 3 to 5 hours." He said during a presentation at the Sidoti Microcap Conference, "We're standing alone as the only company able to detect these sepsis causing pathogens directly from blood in a few hours versus a few days. We have patent protection around both the use of our detection method, magnetic resonance, as well as our sample and handling and processing. That's what allows us to do this." So, go ahead and pause the video, guys. Like, when that FDA approval does come, I think I've talked about it and I've said it kind of enough in these videos in regards to Ttoo. A lot of positive things can happen. I think a lot of positive things will happen from that FDA approval, not even in regards to stock price, you guys, just adoption. And this is something that I think we can see Ttoo Biosystems products in hospitals worldwide type of situation. So make sure you guys keep that in mind here at this current time in these price levels with Ttoo, that something crazy like that could potentially happen on FDA approval. And I think if it does, the sky is truly the limit here. And as we head into next week, obviously the market's going to close for the week now at the time of me recording this video, and probably when you're watching it. But it just goes to show you, right, how outlooks heading into new weeks of trading weeks can be bullish, right, and they could be bearish. And I think at a time for Ttoo Biosystems having the Friday that it had, we couldn't be more bullish, at least in the short term. Especially with a massive catalyst like the FDA approval on the way. Here's just another tweet I wanted to share with you guys. Not sure what shorts we're betting on, but TTOO has things going the right way. Delisting avoided, which was a big deal for this stock. You can see here, I think this is a screenshot if it pulls up. It announced, this is back on August 9th, right? So just sharing this, it received a notice from the NASDAQ informing the company has regained in compliance with the market value of listed securities, the MVLS requirement as set forth by the NASDAQ listing rule, etc., etc. Now, as far as it being back above $1, I think there's some confusion on that. Obviously, We want T2 Biosystems back above $1. Holders want it. Current holders, I mean, I doubt prospective holders want it to be $1 so they can, maybe get a position here. But it's important to all keep it relative here with T2 Biosystems. I think if you compare, I mean, I'm not comparing T2 Biosystems to any other stock, but if you just compare T2 Biosystems with similar biotech stocks with, or under $1 in price, share price, you really have to compare them, and you do love to see what T2 Biosystems are doing, and how the stock performed today. I really think speaks volumes. Just if we take a look really quickly, guys, I'm just gonna, last thing before I wrap this video up, just really quickly, the 5-day for T2. I mean, right, super solid. 69 cents was the high on August 16th. About a full almost 36 hours of profit selling that we saw was all the way down here. Earlier this morning actually kind of opened up at 40 cents and had just a really terrific day overall, guys. So let me know in the comments below how you feel about T2 Biosystems. Did want to get this second video out to everyone today as we head into the new week next week. Should be a fun and wild week in my opinion with T2. So drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.